Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Thursday. It is October the 18th, 2012. We'll be looking at Adobe Systems Incorporated, ticker symbol is ADBE. Let me bring up the old tools here. All right. There's a couple different ways you could draw this chart out. The way I've drawn it is basically looking at this as a potential triple top scenario, and I'll show you why in a moment. You could also draw it as being a rectangle chart pattern, meaning that you would buy off of support and you would sell off of resistance line. You could also look at this as being a more traditional pattern, more of an asymmetrical scenario going on. Still developing, what you'd actually look at that as being coiling, preparing for a breakout in one direction or the other. I would prefer the scenario of the triple top right now, looking at it. We've got, 6 consecutive days to the upside. You've had close of 6 consecutive days to the upside here. That is above average. Typically 5 is the normal, and you start getting a pullback. Here you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you get a pullback. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get a pullback. 3 to 5, that's just normal. And you get above 5, you need 6, 7, 8, 9. It happens, but eventually someone's got to pay the piper. It's like extending a rubber band. It only goes so far before it snaps back. Like I said, 6 consecutive days to the upside, and now you have this nice little situation here at the candlestick formation telling you that they don't know which direction to go. That's what a doji tells you. Dojis typically happen at tops and bottoms. So this being the bottom here, then we would look for one to reverse, telling us that you're looking for a move in the other direction like you had here. In this scenario, again, you can still press the downside, but you're looking at that as being indecision for a reason. Here you've had, like I said, 6 consecutive days to the upside, doji formation, but you're still in the uptrend. You've got this high higher than the previous high, this low higher than the previous low. As long as that continues, you continue to stay with it. When you start to see that reverse, then you have a problem, and something's starting to change. Over here, low point, higher low, higher low, higher low, lower low. Something's starting to change. Then you get this sell signal here. You get confirmation of a lower low point from this candlestick compared to this one, and you start shorting, expecting this. Also worthwhile to note that the ultimate oscillator, once you runs up above the 70 line, that's where you typically start to find your overbought conditions, and you start to find tops and peaks and things of that nature. Here it worked in this particular signal, and as well here, and again here we're up there at that point again. So I'll be looking for a reversal signal of some type. I'm looking for confirmation by being some kind of sell pressure. Once you start to see that, I would get short for a test of the support. If you've not been to the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. God bless, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.